You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 64, updating a change request. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in as Bill Walsh. As you can see, I am logged in as Bill Walsh. This is home.Atlassian. Now let's click on Jira Service Management. Under space, we are going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management. Under change, we are going to open NIA 14 for me, which is upgrade database server. This is the change request. Now, as an update, we are going to update the time, the date. Any date, just change the date. So for me, let's say instead of 10, it's gonna happen on 11th and it will go till 12. So I have just updated the time. You can select any date. Now with that, I see the updates are reflecting. There is no option of save. It is auto saved. Now let's move ahead and perform the next task. For the next task, I will start with assign to me. So the request which is there, it would be assigned to Bill Walsh because I am logged in as Bill Walsh. Assign to me. That's done. Now we are going to change the status of this change from open to start progress. And we will expand more fields. Here we will request participant who is Bruce Lee. And then we are under more field itself, we are going to add team which is NetSoft IT infrastructure. Now in the middle panel, we are going to scroll down under activities. See, activities are there. Under activities, we are going to add, here we are going to add internal note. Here I am going to add, I will be adding an internal note. Let me just read that note very quickly. So here I have mentioned initiating the implementation process for this change request. Okay, we'll click on save. Now let's move ahead for next task, which requires me to log in as Brian Tracy. I will log in as Brian Tracy. I have just opened incognito window or incognito tab of Chrome. As you can see, I am logged in as Brian Tracy. Now let's click on the Jira Service Management, top left corner next to home, click on this 4 blocks, click on Jira Service Management. Here you are in Help Center page or Help Center portal. Right click on top right corner, click on top right corner, profile and click on request. Here you will see a change request is there. Click on this. Okay, status is in progress. These are the details. Planned date is updated. Okay. So we have reviewed all the details. Let's close this tab. In this lab, we have updated change by updating dates, assigning the request to Bill Walsh, and sharing an internal note. We also saw this change from the lens of Brian Tracy. That means we have logged in as Brian Tracy and we saw the updates on this change. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.